Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert Google Slide to PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so here I'm going to show you in starting. So let's start with the video. Come to the Google Drive, log in with your email ID. Now go to the new, and here you can create the blank presentation of Google Slide. So Google Slide has been opened. So okay, I just rename it Google Slide to PPT. Okay, so it is done now, and you can insert slides, and you can do whatever you want. Now there is a two-way you can convert Google Slide to PowerPoint presentation. First, you can simply uh, go to the file, go to the download, and you can download as a PPT, and the file PPT file will be download, okay, on your computer. So now just open it, and this is my PPT file. Now come to the Google Drive, and you can just upload to Google Drive. Okay, just drag to upload Google Drive, so it will be upload. We can also upload from here. Go to the file upload, you have to find this presentation and just open it, so it will be upload to Google Drive. Second way, okay, I just created, I just delete it. Okay, another way, just close it and come to the Google Drive. The new file will be created here, slide file. Okay, now just click right side, click right on this side, Google slide files, click on the right. Okay, my internet is slow. Okay, okay, click on the right side, open with the, okay, it is Google slide, you can download it. Okay, it is converted into PowerPoint and it will be downloaded. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.